Okay, today we have a Dual 1219 turntable, and one of the things that happens to these tables is that this little piece right here stops working. It's a little switch. It changes it from multi to single play, and what it does, it's supposed to raise and lower the tone arm. And right now it's broken, and the reason why it's broken is because there's a washer on the bottom. I'll show you that in a few minutes, a few seconds actually, and how to repair it for free. Yes, for free. You don't have to go crazy trying to buy expensive parts or ordering or whatever. You can make it yourself, and I'll show you how that works. So basically, again, this will also work on a Dual 1229, and I think on the on the 1229Q, anyone that has this kind of switch on it. Now, what the situation is that this little piece right here is missing a rubber washer that goes around it, and there are two balls that go inside these little holes, and this one is missing, of course. But as you notice, if I push on the tone arm here, it goes up and down. And what you want to do is make a washer that goes around here, and what I used is a piece of tubing, right? Rubber tubing. I have two different kinds here. I think this is about 8 millimeters or 7 millimeters, something like that. So you want to get the inside diameter of the tubing to be about that size. And I just take a knife and I slice a piece off, and then you put it right around here. It's a little bit hard to get it on here, but with a little bit of effort, you'll be able to do it. And make sure, that the balls are still in there, too. You want to make sure that when you reassemble it, that you put those little ball bearings in there. And that's basically it. I would take the time to put one on, but I'd have to put the camera down. It does take some kind of work. But you want to get as tight a fit around there as possible. Also, you can use an O-ring, which works really well, too. Except they might be a little bit too thick, and they're more rounded on the edge. So the tubing is really the way to go. Just slice a little piece of it off, maybe about that much off, and that should do it. Maybe a little bit wider, and you'll see that should fit too around that little piece. Oh, also we have, there's this little piece here that prevents the arm from swinging back and forth in the automatic mode, and that's what we call the Stewart pimple. And here's a piece of this is lamp cord, regular piece of a power cord, right? And I sliced off a little piece right here and widened the hole a little bit. Of course, got the copper wire out from the middle of it. And you place it right on top here and press it down. Of course, I would do it a lot better if I didn't have the camera in my hands. But that's basically it. And you put your piece back on here. And put the, I forgot what this is called, but camshaft or something like that. And put this right back through on this side. And you're pretty much done. So again, a free way to fix the Stewart pimple using some electrical cord, and a free way to fix this multi-single adjustment out of a piece of rubber tubing.